What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Double back here, and today we're going to be talking about what it takes to start up a six-figure clothing brand. But before we get into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's get it.
I was sleeping on the rug, I embrace that. Every time I show love, I get hate back. Fell in love with the streets, said fuck school. Hennessy got me feeling like fuck you.
You want to start off by picking the right brand name. It can come from many different things. It can come from a last name, from a motivational phrase, anything. It can come from anything. But once you have that name, you want to make sure that it's something that can stick to people's brains, like something that pops and is memorable. For instance, like if someone is just you're about to drop, say you're about to drop, and someone is just talking about your brand, like, oh yeah, so and so has this new product that he's about to drop. When they say your name, you instantly want that other person to pop up with an idea of exactly what type of merchandise you have or that you're selling. Next, what you want to do is you want to create a design for your brand. Once you create this design or logo, you want to make sure that you look it over at least 2 to 3 times before actually sticking with it. And this is because whenever you send in photos to a manufacturer, sometimes the quality could be a little bit off, and they'll have you edit it and do a whole bunch of other things to make it better. So to nip that in the bud, just start off by going and making it better through your perspective, the best through your perspective, before you go ahead and send it off to the manufacturer. I have a few sites and they're free. Photopia and Kittle. These two apps and platforms, they are very user friendly and they're very easy to navigate through for beginners. After you have your name and your design, what you want to do is you want to find a manufacturer either through Alibaba or Instagram. I'm gonna drop a few videos later on showing y'all how to communicate with a manufacturer. But with my personal experience, I'd go through with getting the manufacturer through Alibaba, because Alibaba is a third-party app that watches over all the transactions, which makes it less likely for you to get scammed through them. On Instagram, on the other hand, it's just you and someone speaking back and forth, and there's no telling what they could be telling you is true or if it's a lie. Also, Alibaba, and they make it easier for you to know when you're gonna get your package and where your package is currently. You can track your package, and you can also see the expected shipment date for when it's going to be on your doorstep or in your hand. Next, once you have name, design, and you then send it off to the manufacturer, now you want to get some brand recognition, because you want people to know who you are so you can start generating the sales. So now you want to make all platforms, all the social platforms, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Once you got this, you want to promote the lifestyle, not a product, a lifestyle. For example, look at Nike. Nike is able to generate so many sales because they have a lifestyle. Their lifestyle behind their product is athletes. Athletes love Nike because what do they produce? They produce athletic gear. They produce stuff that the athletes need. My brand name is Salavad. Thanks for watching to the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe for the latest updates on what it takes to start up a 7-figure clothing brand, man. That's vegan.